Hello, Croeso nôl, welcome back to Busy Andy. As you can see, I've got a couple of guests with me today. You all know Karen. Hello, Karen.
Hi.
And you all know a very clever mashed potato, Katie. Hello, Katie. Now, Karen and Katie are here today to help us sing our next Christmas carol. And what's it called? We wish you a Merry Christmas. Now we'll put the words on the screen and you can join in. Are you ready? All set?
Okay.
Okay, after 3. 1, 2, 3. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Woohoo! Well done.
The unicorn was dancing.
Your unicorn was dancing. Oh, I didn't even introduce the unicorn. We have Katie's unicorn, Poppy, helping us out today. Hello, Poppy. Now, Poppy, Katie and Karen, do you think you could show us the Makaton signs for We Wish You a Merry Christmas?
Can we? Do you think you can?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready?
But you've got to teach my unicorn so you can learn signs.
Right, so Poppy, you've got to watch Karen for the signs.
Okay.
Okay, right, here we go then. After 3 again. 1.
That way.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you go watch Karen.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Woo-hoo-hoo! Well done, Poppy. Well done, Karen. Well done, Katie. You did amazing.
Now she knows what to do.
Now she knows what to do, and I hope you know what to do as well. Now, next, we've sung it in English, and we've sung it with Makaton. Are you ready to sing it in Welsh? And the words will be on the screen for you to join in. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dymunwn Nadolig Llawen, Dymunwn Nadolig Llawen, Dymunwn Nadolig Llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda, llawenydd I chi, a pawb yn y tŷ. Dymunwn Nadolig Llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda. Da iawn pawb, well done everybody. So from me, Busy Andy, a very, very Merry Christmas to you all. And Merry Christmas, Karen and Katie
Merry
as well.
Christmas, Andy. Nadolig Llawen.
Llawen. And thanks so much. Oh, diolch yn fawr. Thank you for helping me, Katie. I shouldn't say Katie.
Say Croeso.
Yeah, I should say Katie, should I? I should say Katie.
I remember that song.
You remember that song?
I do.
Well, should we say bye-bye to everyone?
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next week.